Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to dive even deeper into the book Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. This book is all about transforming your morning routine to set yourself up for success all day long. It's not just about waking up early. It's about taking a few minutes each morning to focus on self-improvement, and by doing so, drastically improve the quality of our lives. The book is based on the life SAVISUVRS, which stands for silence, affirmation, visualization, exercise, reading, and scribing. Each of these steps plays an important role in creating a powerful morning routine that sets the tone for the rest of the day. Let's start with silence. This step is all about taking a few minutes to meditate or practice mindfulness. The idea behind this step is to clear your mind and start the day with a sense of calm and focus. Elrod suggests setting an alarm on your phone or using an app like Headspace to guide you through a short meditation session. But if meditation isn't your thing, simply sitting in silence and focusing on your breath can be just as effective. Next up is affirmation. This step is all about repeating positive phrases to yourself. The idea is to start the day with a positive mindset, which in turn attracts positive opportunities and experiences. Elrod suggests creating a list of affirmations that are specific to you and your goals, and repeating them to yourself each morning. For example, if your goal is to become more confident in public speaking, you might affirm, "I am a confident and powerful speaker." Third is visualization. This step is all about taking a few minutes to imagine yourself achieving your goals. The idea is to get your mind focused on what you want to achieve and to start visualizing the steps you need to take to get there. Elrod suggests using a technique called future self-visualization, where you imagine yourself in the future having already achieved your goal. This helps to make the goal feel more real and attainable. Fourth is exercise. This step is all about starting your day with some physical activity. Exercise helps to improve our physical and mental health, boost our energy levels, and improve our mood. Elrod suggests starting with just 10 minutes of exercise each morning and gradually increasing the time as you get used to the routine. This could be anything from a quick workout at home to a brisk walk around the neighborhood. Fifth is reading. This step is all about taking some time to read something that will improve your life. This could be a book on business, a novel, a self-help book, or even just an article from a magazine. The point is to feed your mind with positive and educational content. By reading something that will improve your life, you're investing in yourself and your future. And finally, we have scribing, which means writing in a journal. This step is all about getting your thoughts out of your head and onto paper. This could be a list of things you're grateful for, a list of goals, or even just a few random thoughts. The point is to take a few minutes each morning to reflect on your life and your goals. Now, I know what you're thinking. That all sounds great, but how do I fit all of that into my already packed morning routine? And that's where the Miracle Morning comes in. Elrod suggests starting by waking up just 15 minutes earlier and gradually adding more time as you get used to the new routine. He also suggests being flexible and finding what works for you. If you find that you don't have time for all 6 steps, that's okay. Just focus on the ones that resonate with you the most. The most important thing is to make the time for yourself in the morning, even if it's just a few minutes. The Miracle Morning is not just about waking up early. It's about taking control of your life and making the most of each day. It's about making a commitment to yourself to focus on self-improvement and setting yourself up for success. By implementing the life SAVERS into your morning routine, you'll start to see improvements in all areas of your life, from your health and well-being to your career and relationships. But it's important to remember that change doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and effort to establish a new habit, and there will be days when you don't feel like getting out of bed. But the key is to persist and to remind yourself of the benefits of the Miracle Morning. By making the time for yourself each morning, you're investing in yourself and your future. So there you have it, the Miracle Morning in a nutshell. It's a simple yet powerful way to transform your life, one morning at a time. If you're ready to take control of your life and make the most of each day, I highly recommend giving the Miracle Morning a try. I promise you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more book summaries and tips for a better life.